So just wanted to give you guys a quick intercooler update so you don't think I forgot about you. As with all projects, every time you touch something, it turns into a rabbit hole. And I think I've mentioned this in my videos before, is anytime something comes off, either this or the 240, it gets either replaced or powder coated. So this is no difference. I ended up picking up a Koyo N Flo because I wanted to make sure that this new intercooler was going to fit with the thicker N Flo. That was a huge concern of mine because that is go-to radiator for FDs if you're kind of in the now. I used to use Fluidine all the time, but they no longer make it, and after emailing them, they refuse to make them. I don't know why, but Fluidine used to be my radiator of choice, but the N Flo is actually better overall. You just have to deal with a little bit of the dimensional problems, but parts are coming in for the there's an AST relocator, intercooler brackets. Sounds great. Like I mentioned, I started pulling stuff off. Powder coated parts. That's freshly powder coated, looks brand new. I'm replacing every rubber hose in the cooling system. So that's what I'm doing right now. So that means the intake manifold has to come off to replace the throttle body hose that goes on the top to the rear iron. Dug into the headlights, got the headlight brackets powder coated. So that's where I'm at right now. I should be road testing the intercooler within the week or two. So that's your little update, and it's moving along pretty good. We have Fuel Fest this weekend, and after that I should be able to get this thing assembled and on the road again.